Schoology Rubrics provide a powerful, customizable tool for providing criteria-based feedback and added consistency in evaluating student work. Create rubrics inside your gradebook setup, Schoology resources, or directly within graded items, such as assignments, discussions, and essay questions. Here, we'll edit an existing discussion and create a scoring rubric. From the Scale dropdown, select Create New. First, enter a title. Be strategic naming rubrics that you may want to reuse later. Now, enter details for the first criterion. The title should indicate the objective, while a description can be used to communicate expectations for meeting the objective. Change the points and descriptions in the default scale to meet your needs. To add a new row, click Add Criteria. Note that the newly added rows automatically copy the scale from the previous row. You may use the same scale throughout, or change the scales to be specific to that row's criterion. A powerful feature in Schoology is the ability to add standards-aligned criteria, or preloaded objectives. Try selecting Add Learning Objectives and drill down to tag standards aligned to your lesson. Each standard will add a new row to the rubric. You may further modify a scale by clicking the plus or X icons to add or remove levels. While this creates a simple scoring tool, you may still enter scores between these values if needed. This promotes consistency while allowing for flexibility. As rows are added, the rubric's total points are automatically calculated. When you've completed creating the rubric, select Save. Rubrics created directly within materials will also be available in your gradebook setup. You may instead create them in your gradebook setup first, then attach them to materials later. Note, any changes made to a rubric will carry through to all other instances of the rubric within a single course. Use Schoology resources to save and create alternate versions of an existing rubric. Now that you've learned the basics, continue learning more about creating, sharing, and using rubrics.